Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new subscription box. This subscription box is called Tribe Beauty. Yes, they reached out to me. I had filled out something on Instagram. They were looking for people for PR and I sent something in and they got back with me. And I'm an ambassador in their ambassador program. What is Tribe Beauty? Tribe Beauty is a little different from normal subscription boxes. It'll give you 5 full-size beauty products. And what's unique about the products they give you a face product, a skincare product, an eye, a lip, and some sort of beauty tool. So you know exactly the type of products you're going to get each month. No guesswork required there. And what's different and what I love about this company, it supports small brands and indie brands as well as some well-known brands. The company is owned by 3 women. It's a small female-owned company. They try to promote women empowerment. So it's a great brand. I love brands that try to help other women. This brand sells for $34.99, but with my discount code, Kendy Jane, all in lowercase letters, you will get 10% off the cost of your box. And another great thing about this brand, it goes anywhere in the world. Shipping cost on the brand is $4.99 if you're in the United States. To Canada, it's $6.99. To Europe and Australia, it's $15 for shipping. And to anywhere else in the world, it's $17. So anybody in the world can get this box. I'm so excited for my international people that are watching my channel. If you want a nice beauty box, this is the one you need to look at because you can get it anywhere. So they cover the duty and the taxes. All you have to pay is the shipping. So that's one great thing. The Tribe Beauty box was voted 2019 best subscription box in Canada. So yay for Tribe. If you want to see what's in our Tribe Beauty box, stay tuned. Okay guys, let's open her up and see what's inside. Okay, and this is what it looks like inside the box. You have a little card with all your products on it. And this is how they packed it. I've been through it already and I've tried these products out already, so I could let you know my first impression of them. So the first item I see in the box is from Wander Beauty. And this is a female-owned business. Wander Beauty, and this is their Dive In Moisturizer. And I actually used this tonight and I love the way it makes my face feel. It's a lightweight and non-greasy gel cream texture, absorbs quickly and works well with makeup for a beautiful complexion. It is enriched with pentavitin, which binds water to skin and creates a moisture barrier, providing up to 72 hours of deep hydration. And let me tell you, after I put this on my face, it did feel really, really hydrated and moisturized. And I'll show you what it looks like. It's in the box. And this is what the container looks like. And I'll open it and put a little bit on my hand. And like I said, I think I used this twice. A little dab. And that's what it's a white creamy texture. And when you rub it in, see, it just goes right into your skin. It's a great moisturizer. And it has a mild scent, not a real heavy scent. but I really love this product. And it values at $36. Now the box is $35.99. That covers the entire cost of the box. So everything else in here you would get for free actually. So, and I failed to mention the box is always at least $100 or more. Our next item is by Dr. Botanicals, and it's a vegan friendly product. It's the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. And this is what it looks like. And I actually put this on my face after I cleansed. I put my essence on, and then I came back with this, and to apply it, you put 4 drops on your 4 fingers here, not your thumb, and then you just rub them together and then press it into your face part first, then your forehead, and then your chin. And it just went, my skin just sucked it up. I mean, it really just sucked this product up. And it says Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil, but I love Moroccan oil. It's valued at $26, and it's got minerals and vitamins working to repair and perfect skin and leave it healthier looking. It's lightweight, non-greasy. The potent serum has a delicate fragrance and effortlessly melts in. And I'll show you how that does. I'll put a couple drops of it on my hand. And I like the dropper because you can control how much you put on your face. And I'll just put a few drops here and rub it in. And you see how it just goes right into your skin. Oh, it feels good. And no grease. It doesn't look greasy. It just goes right into the skin. And oh, I love rose smell. It just smells like a, and it's not a real strong rose scent if you don't like heavily scented products, which scent is really not a good thing to put in products, but I love scented products. This rose is real mild. It will not make you nauseous or give you any kind of headache or anything like that. It's just a mild fragrance. You really have to put your nose close to it to smell it. Okay, moving on to the next item, which is my favorite item in the box, and that is the eyeshadow palette. It was packed in some little pop-ums here, and I actually used this on my eyes tonight. This palette is by a company called IBY. I've seen this in Ipsy boxes before. And the palette is called City Limits. And on the back side of the carton, it has the shadow names and the shades. And when you open it up, let me show you guys. This is the cover. And I like the packaging because it's not plastic. It's like a heavy cardboard. And it's recyclable. It's not like plastic that'll be here forever. And it's really lightweight. It has a magnetic closure in it, so it stays shut. And it's a really cute 12-pan palette with some beautiful warm tone shades. You have some beautiful rust tones. You have a beautiful navy color here, or royal blue, I would say, at the bottom here. But I have this on my eyes, and that shade is called Silent Disco. And I actually use Silent Disco Playlist, this pale peachy pink. I use this shade and this shade. And I got a deep dark matte brown also I used from another palette. But let me swatch a couple of these just to show you how pretty they are. I'll do the Rush shade, and I love how Ibby imprints their initials in the palette. This reminds me of Jeffree Star's palettes that have that in A lot of palettes do that, but I love that. It gives it a little class. Shiny one and the blue one. Look how pretty those are. And I'll put them right here. Right here. And look at that, how pretty. Just one swipe. Is that pigmented or what? And the light colored metallic shade, shimmery shade here is just as good. Look how pretty. I mean, that's a gorgeous palette. Very pretty. Now this palette sells for $20. $20. And that's a good price for this palette. It is an indie brand. I really like it. This is my favorite product in the box. I love this moisturizer as well as the serum. I like all of it. Okay, so we have our face product, our skincare product, our eye product, and we have some tools here. I use these brushes. You have a set of 4 crown brushes. I put them back in the plastic. And these crown brushes, I had never used crown brushes. To tell you the truth, I've never heard really good things about crown, but I was impressed. Now, you know, this is not a high-end brush set. These total, I think, $19. $19. And I know another box out this month had the same brushes, but in a rose gold. And it had a huge packaging box. And some people like all this packaging. I do not. I think we have too much packaging, and if you can eliminate the packaging to put in subscription boxes, can you imagine how many trees, how much less plastic? This is all we have to put in the trash. Whereas if you got it in that huge box, as it was in another subscription box, you had all that to throw away. But these brushes worked really nicely. You have a shader brush here, a flat shader. I use that to put my shimmery shade in my inner corner and into my eye. I use this fluffy brush to put a nice little off-white shade all over my eye area, over my eyeshadow primer. No, I use this one to put my eyeshadow primer on with. This one I use to blend. It's a nice little fluffy brush. And then I also used this one when I was doing my eyebrows. So I got use out of the whole brush set, which I loved. And next we have from, let's see, this is from Sinfully Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this reminds me of Jeffree Star lip glosses. The container that is. It reminds me of how his is. I love, love, love this container. And this is a beautiful shade. Let's see what it's called. It's called Casio. And it's a beautiful pink shade. Let me put it on my other hand. Here. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to just put it over the lipstick that I have on. I had a little mirror here. Here it is. Let's see what this one looks like over this. And I love the doe foot applicator. It's at an angle, which makes it very easy to apply to your lips. I've used this by itself. It's a beautiful pink shade, and it's not real sticky after it dries down, but it is a gloss, so it is going to be, you know, even when they say they're not sticky, they still have some tact to it. But let's see what they say about the lipstick here. Okay, I'm sorry, the brand is actually called LA Splash, and the product is their Sinfully Angelic Diamond Lip Gloss. and it sells for $18. Yes, I like it. I like this brand. Comparing it to the Jeffree Star lip gloss, which I wish I had it here to show you guys. I ordered a couple, but I gave them to my daughter. It's not that different. Jeffree's may have a little bit more scent to it. I don't find that big of a difference between this one and that one. So, but anyways, I love this little box. I really, really like this box. If you're looking for an alternative box to some of the bigger brand boxes, this is absolutely one I think you would want to try, especially since I have a discount code for it. So the total value of June's Try Beauty box is $119. Yes, $119. This is a great buy. I can't see a problem with this box. It's for a good cause. It's helping promote women in business, small business. It's helping indie brands. And I love how you know exactly what you're getting. You're getting a face product, a skincare, an eye product, a lip product, and a beauty tool. That's all you need to know. So, all right. Please remember we have our giveaway going on right now, the 2 Jeffree Star palettes. I will have a link if you want to read all the rules and regulations to get into that. For your giveaway clue, could you please put your favorite product in this box? Is it the moisturizer? Is it the serum? Is it the beautiful City Limits palette? Is it the lip gloss? Or is it the crown brushes? Here they are. Which product is your favorite? Mine is, if I had to pick one, is the palette. I think I'm partial to palettes, but then I'd say the moisturizer I love, the serum, I love the lip gloss, and then the brushes. So that is my spiel. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe to help my channel out. I would truly appreciate it. If you liked my video, please put a like on it. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye. Mwah.